There are over 6,000 Greek islands. We chose Serifos not for the beaches, but for its rugged nature and isolation. It's only 29 square miles, and 30 years ago, there were no hotels.
Shelter! Seek shelter!
Today, there are 36 villages here, but only 1,200 residents, many of whom are over age 65.
Wow.
Oh my God, Mom, are we gonna stay
So
here?
pretty, right? We're staying, this is our side of the island. Oh, look, there's a little, look, a little bay down there. Look at that.
We had been invited to stay in the childhood home of our friend Giannis,
Yeah, it's a bridge.
There were mantle overs.
In the water?
who grew up in the old mining town of Megalo Livadi.
Your destination is on the left. Right down there at the bottom. That thing lit up. Hello.
Popi.
You're Poppy. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Wow, so this is a little town?
Yes.
Are people in their homes right now? Are they residents?
And now this time, two
Put on
families.
him.
Yeah.
Two families.
So 2 families live here
Two families live in this.
in this season.
Yes.
2 families plus you 2.
Yes.
So 3 families.
Yes.
Is this a family house from a grandparent?
Grandfather.
Wow. So this is a traditional home.
Oh,
Yeah?
it's traditional. Yes.
Traditional. I'll follow you? Yeah?
I born here.
You were born here in this
Yes.
home.
Yes. You see, the very old
Yeah.
people. They like only one room, one family.
How many people?
6, 8.
No.
4 children and my parents.
Beautiful girl. Popi.
Poppy made the cookies. Biscotti.
For.
Was this your stove? Is this the same one? When you were a child?
But before,
Yeah?
we have the others with gas bottle. Now this electric. Now this working. Have something for side.
Honey, for you.
You see?
Για σας, τυρόπιτα.
Make the pop.
Really? Oh, thank you.
Keep inside to keep hot.
To keep it hot. Oh,
Yeah,
thank
yeah.
you. So it's a beautiful sink. When you were a
This is
child.
old. This is old.
Beautiful.
This is very
It's
old.
marble.
Yeah.
You.
This is from grandfather, but
That's from your grandfather.
I put here. I change something because I need to make
It's more
this.
modern?
Yes.
So then, and back here, this is new.
No.
No, not new.
This is also old.
That's old. Same. This was here when you were a little boy. So okay, so it was 2 rooms. And who slept in here? Your parents?
Yes.
You slept there, and your parents slept here. Okay. The bathroom?
Big bath.
And there was a big
Big
bathroom.
bathroom.
But it was here. This is old?
No.
No.
I make this.
You built it. Did you put in the plumbing for the toilet?
Yes. After we change this to put this ball, and
Difficult for you?
of course it's difficult, but okay. I know something about this
How do you know something?
because I'm engineer.
Yeah.
What do you like to do?
Yeah. Was there a bathroom or was
This
that
is,
outside?
yes. I go inside and after with ball, make like this to make bath.
Was it
The
cold
cleaning.
water? Did you have
No,
cold water?
it's heating.
Ah, you heat it on the
Heating
stove.
there.
And then you would bathe in that.
Reine ιστορία πίσω από αυτό το σπίτι.
What did you say?
What is the story about this house? How to explain this in English? I don't know.
Ask him how they did this.
How do they make the walls?
Yes, how they make the walls.
Wait, give me 1 second. Πριν κατασκευούς του όχι τζότσο.
Πριν κατασκευαστούν
Τύχη.
η τύχη.
Grandfather Giannis.
Some walls
Built it.
building by stone
No.
and earth.
Stone and earth.
Some other have stone and asbestos. Asbestos and sand.
Was this stone from the island?
From here,
Yeah.
around, I don't know, around
Yeah.
here.
Where did you sleep when you were little?
You have the beds, but small beds.
Small beds.
Small beds. My parents there.
And then you?
The double.
Yeah.
Here we have three.
3.
And we're sleeping one here, another here. We're sleeping two together. One here, another here. When we was small. For the children, if you like, we have one extra bed
Okay.
to put it here.
Oh,
But
thank you.
I didn't show you this.
What's this? Oh.
The beds are built in,
Wow.
and they have a round corner so you don't hit yourself in the knees. They also have holes for perspiration. This is a serious bed. You see how round
Oh, the rounded cushion, a rounded mattress.
and a rounded base, so you don't hit yourself when you're getting in.
It's totally custom.
That would great to have beds that are actually sofas.
Mm-hmm.
Some nice coffee. So these are homemade cookies. These are homemade biscotti. There you go.
After breakfast on the beach, I went for a long run along the bay. It's hard to imagine now, but the quiet stretch of shoreline was once the center of activity on the island. The mining began in the late 1800s, and for decades it drove the island's economy. Today, only a few people live here year-round. But in the early 20th century, Megalo Livadi was a booming mining town, home to hundreds of workers and their families. At its peak in 1912, over 2,000 miners were working across Serifos, many of them right here.
Here I ran this morning and I saw this was where a lot of the mining.
yes, working miners there. The vessels coming.
Yeah?
For loading there.
The boats come in and load and unload.
Yes, yes.
And then they had a tunnel that went into the mountain?
Yes,
Cut
yes,
in the mountain,
yes,
yeah?
yes,
And
yes.
that was to go
There
mine.
There is there one go inside and go to the other side. About 15-20 minutes walking inside, walk inside.
To get to
Going
the
to the
other
other.
side of the mountain.
Many workers remaining inside there. They die there. Because when start to mine, to take the mine, go inside. Was one small hole. Okay, go inside, go inside. Maybe inside, make big.
To dig.
Big place.
Yeah.
Okay. But how to stain this and not drop down?
They would collapse.
Yes. But they keep some positions up from the roof to down. Not take.
Oh, they'd leave a column of
remaining.
earth.
Okay. But after finish the job, finish this to close and coming out, they cut this. They cut this. And after all this drop down.
It all
That
collapsed.
way you see this too much drop down.
Oh,
The collapse, you see all the collapse. So a lot of people died.
Yes. Yes, yes. 1916, the workers make strike. Because before, the workers working. When sunlight coming,
Yeah.
also when the dark coming, and the workers make strike for 8 hours work per day. Some guys, they die for this here.
I saw the statue.
You see,
the statue.
yes, memorial.
So what happened to the mining? It stopped.
1963.
1963.
Stopping.
Because
Because the mines, the mineral, they found cheaper in Africa.
okay.
And stopping here.
And they just stopped.
Everything closed.
And quickly they left
Economically, it didn't.
but they just left everything behind. They just left it. Yeah. So this used to be a pretty big town then with miners. I mean, it was probably the hundreds of people.
2,500, there are 3,000 living here. You see, many houses. You see, this,
Yes.
this all. Also there. Also there. In this position, have prehistoric.
Prehistoric
Yes. They found
remains.
archaeological.
When they,
yes,
yeah.
yes, there. Acropolis, same Acropolis.
No.
Yes,
There.
yes.
This village is
was big.
traditional and historical village.
And so it was really a mining village. Like your grandfather, what did your grandfather do for work?
Working
In the mine.
in the mine. Also, it's fisher. It was fisherman.
Oh, he was a fisherman too.
Yes.
Okay.
Little money.
A little money in fishing.
Yes.
Big works.
He worked hard.
2-3 jobs.
Wow. Oh, look at you. Oh, pizza. Come in. Wow. Smells so good. And you made it. The dough? You made the whole thing. Yeah.
You're interested. They came.
Yes, guys. This is called aforpecheta. Harto pecheta.
Your family were five kids, 5 children, and 5 children. You see?
5 children. So you had 5 in here?
Yes. When we was
Small.
we was small.
Yeah.
After my father's going the other house.
Oh, they went to another house when you were
Yes.
bigger. But when you were small, you slept here and here.
Yes. But not this, the other type. Same like this, but the old.
So they would fold.
Yes.
They're old beds that would fold.
Yes. 1, 2. The house used only for sleeping. It's only for this.
Only for sleeping.
Otherwise, always outside.
If it wasn't raining?
Yes,
Outside.
yes, outside.
Okay.
Always play.
Okay.
Cool or.
Were there other children?
We make some small house. We make this. Go inside and play there.
Like a fort.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Outside there.
Yeah. Just for sleeping here.
Yes, only for sleeping.
Because you were working on the boats, and these, to me, these
talk about the
2
corner.
beds, it's like the boats. Very small, but very comfortable. You sleep very well.
Yes.
We also noticed the corner.
We make this because if the corner is here, that's not possible to go inside. It's very little. That's why.
Because when you move this, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
If this is coming here, you see?
Yeah.
Oh, this space.
Storage.
Space.
Oh.
To
Great.
store. That's smart.
The store things. Yes.
So this, you built all this, just kept going. You build it all in, all the way, yeah?
Hmm?
It's just part of the wall.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Because the house is small. Need to have some places to put something inside.
So you have all that storage, yeah. So here's the teas. So this one is a tea from the island.
So basically, the owners just collected around the island. I'm already smelling. It's almost like the smell of this area when it rains. So nice. I was looking for tea.
Here.
Oh! You eat it like
yes.
that. So you look for things in here, huh? Because it rained. Because it's the water.
Yes.
It's
My mother.
Your mother. You live here?
Together.
Together.
My father ship.
Seaman. Engineer also.
Engineer, like yours.
If you go in here, you see?
Yeah.
the White Tower. Now you see there the
Yeah.
White Tower. If you're going up,
Oh.
you see
okay.
White Tower.
So is there a monastery with one person?
Yes, the monastery, the other side in the
One
island.
person.
One
right?
person there.
One person.
One person.
It's old.
No, now he's young because
Now
the
he's
old one.
he
before,
died.
2 years before died.
Macarius, yeah.
Macarius it was before.
But there is one.
Very young but very strong. Now they going to the church to prepare for Pascha.
Oh, for Easter.
Yes, painting asbestos, you know,
Oh, what, the lime wash. Put lime.
white.
Whitewash.
To prepare all this, the steps going to the church, to clean the church inside, to prepare everything.
This is a system I like. I've seen all over Greece. Light can be really, really, really strong, especially when you are wide by the water because of reflection on the white. And you will need the shades to protect you against that light. It's not also practical, but in this case, it just looks beautiful.
I love Serifos,
Yeah.
Megalo Livadi, very much.
Why?
Yes. Why relax?
Yeah.
Sea, plats. Sea,
Swimming.
sea, swimming and fishing.
And fishing.
This noise, like, the waves.
I like painting.
This is yours.
Everything in our house.
Θέλω ησυχία για να ζωγραφίζω. Πώς λέγεται?
But she like to have
Relax
Quiet.
for painting.
yes,
No.
easy,
No-
easy. No houses, no yes.
No.
To stay
Yeah.
to painting.
Raining, perfect.
Just the sound of rain, the sea. It's different here. And it's hard to find that. There are not many places where you can't hear cars.
Also possible to see everything around. If you go to walk,
Right?
see everything because no have trees. If you have trees, no see nothing.
Do you like that?
Don't see nothing.
Do you like that you can see everything? That there's always a view? Yeah.
I like also green, but for few days.
Yeah.
After, no good.